Want to use Unicode to create SMS QR codes, but aren't sure where to start? You're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to use Unicode for SMS QR codes, whether you're just starting or trying to make the most of its features. Stick around until the end, because I'll also be sharing some alternatives that might just be better suited for your needs. Let's dive straight in. First off, Unicode makes it easy to create SMS QR codes, which are super helpful for businesses, marketing campaigns, or even personal use when you want people to easily scan and send a text message. But what sets Unicode apart from other options out there? The first thing you'll need to do is sign up for an account on Unicode's platform. It's pretty straightforward, but be sure to check the different plan options because depending on how many QR codes you need to generate, the pricing can vary. Once you're in, you'll be at your dashboard where you can manage all of your projects and codes. Next thing you need to know is how to generate your first SMS QR code. Once you're logged in, you can either start from scratch or use a template. For an SMS QR code, select the SMS option from the QR code types and then input the phone number and the message you want to prefill. This is where Unicode starts to show its value. It'll automatically format the SMS with the correct phone number and text. All your users need to do is scan, and it's one click away from sending the text. The third thing to consider is customization. Unicode lets you change the design of your QR code, adding logos or adjusting colors to match your branding. This is a huge plus if you want the code to blend seamlessly into your marketing materials. But here's where things can get a bit tricky. While the customization options are solid, they're somewhat limited compared to other QR code generators on the market, especially when you start diving into more advanced design features. Now, let's talk about analytics. Unicode does offer basic tracking so you can see how many people have scanned your QR code and sent the SMS. This is key if you're running marketing campaigns or want to know how well your QR code is performing. However, the reporting features aren't as robust as what you might find with some competitors. If you need detailed insights, you may find this lacking. The fifth thing you should know is about integrating Unicode with other tools. While it integrates with some platforms, the number of integrations is a bit smaller than what you'll find with other services. If you're running a sophisticated setup with email marketing or CRM tools, you might need to look into third-party integration options, which could require more manual work or additional steps. Now, let's talk about the alternatives. If you're looking for something more feature-rich or with better reporting, there are some solid competitors in the SMS QR code space. Many of them offer more advanced customization options, more integrations, and deeper analytics, all of which could better support businesses that need a more comprehensive solution. But here's the thing, I've also got an exclusive offer for you. If you're still set on using Unicode, I've got a link to give you access to an extended free trial and exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. And if you decide to explore the alternatives I've mentioned, you'll find free trials available there too, giving you a chance to try them out and see if they better meet your needs. Ultimately, it all comes down to what your goals are with SMS QR codes. If you're just getting started and need something simple and cost-effective, Unicode might be the way to go. But if you need more features and deeper insights, the alternatives I've suggested could offer better value in the long run. Check the description for links to get the best free trials and start testing out what works for you.